Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to know if someone is active on Bumble. Unfortunately, Bumble does not have a direct feature to show if someone is online active on the platform, unlike Tinder's green dot. However, you can get a clue about someone's activity status in the following way. Open the Bumble app and log into your account. Tap on the message icon in the bottom right corner to go to your conversation list. If a user is still in your conversation list, it indicates that they have been active for within the past 30 days, because Bumble removes users from your conversation list if they haven't been active over 30 days. If a user has been inactive for more than 30 days, the profile will no longer show up in your swiped in list and you won't be able to see them in your conversation section anymore. This method gives you a general idea of whether someone is still active on Bumble, but it doesn't provide real-time updates about their activity. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.